Did you know that more than 70% of people judge a vehicle's overall cleanliness within the first few seconds of seeing it? And one of the first things they notice is the condition of the tires. You could spend an entire weekend washing, claying, polishing, and waxing your car, but if the tires are faded, brown, or covered in oxidation, the entire vehicle instantly looks older than it actually is. Professional detailers have known this secret for decades. Shiny black tires can make a 10-year-old car look years newer. Today, I am going to reveal some of the most effective household methods for restoring that deep black showroom appearance. Stick around until the end, because I will also uncover a simple $1 trick that many drivers have never heard of, but that can keep your tires looking darker and cleaner forever. Let's dive in. Trick number 9. Baby oil. One of the oldest and most popular DIY tire shine methods involves something found in millions of bathroom cabinets around the world: baby oil. The reason this method works is because baby oil is primarily composed of mineral oil, which temporarily penetrates the outer surface of the rubber and restores a darker appearance. Professional detailers often refer to this as re-wetting the tire surface. To perform this method, begin by thoroughly cleaning the tire with soap and water. After cleaning, wait for about 10 minutes and allow your tire to dry completely. Next, place a small amount of baby oil onto a microfiber applicator pad and spread it evenly across the tire sidewall. Within minutes, you will notice the rubber becoming darker and glossier. Many users report that heavily faded tires can appear up to 50% darker immediately after application. The key is moderation, because excessive oil can sling onto paint panels while driving. For a product that costs only a few dollars, the results can be surprisingly impressive. Trick number 8. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly has been a secret weapon among old-school detailers for decades, and there is a good reason why this method refuses to disappear. Unlike thinner oils, petroleum jelly forms a thicker protective layer over the rubber surface and creates an exceptionally deep black appearance. Studies of rubber preservation products have shown that petroleum-based coatings can significantly reduce moisture loss from exposed rubber surfaces. To use this trick for your tire, start by cleaning your tire and let it dry. Now, apply a very thin layer of petroleum jelly using a foam applicator and work it evenly around the sidewall. Now let it sit for about 10 minutes. After waiting, gently buff away any excess residue. The resulting shine is often richer than many commercial tire dressings, costing 10 times as much. Some enthusiasts report that the appearance can remain visible for several weeks under favorable weather conditions. However, because petroleum jelly can attract dust and road grime, it should be used sparingly. When applied correctly, it delivers one of the deepest and darkest tire finishes achievable with a household product. Trick number 7. Coconut oil. If you are looking for a more natural solution, coconut oil may be one of the most underrated tire restoration products available. Coconut oil contains natural fats that create a subtle protective coating while enhancing the color of the rubber. To try this trick for your tires, start by melting a small amount of coconut oil if it is solid. Now apply a thin layer of oil to the tire sidewall using a microfiber cloth and spread it evenly across the surface. Within a few minutes, your tire will start to develop a rich, dark appearance that will look clean rather than artificially glossy. Even many experienced DIY detailers use this trick because coconut oil creates a more natural finish, similar to what you would see on a brand new vehicle sitting in a dealership showroom. However, the shine may not last as long as synthetic tire dressings, but coconut oil often provides several days of improved appearance. For drivers who dislike greasy tire products, coconut oil offers an excellent alternative. Trick number 6. $1 trick. As promised in the title, here is the $1 trick: glycerin. Many experienced DIY detailers consider glycerin to be one of the best-kept secrets in tire care. Glycerin is widely used in cosmetics and skincare products because of its ability to attract and retain moisture. This same property makes it useful for maintaining the appearance of rubber surfaces. To use glycerin for your tires, mix 25 milliliters of glycerin with 75 milliliters of clean water, creating a 1:3 ratio solution. Pour it into a spray bottle and shake well for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Now clean your tire with water and soap. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let your tire dry thoroughly. Now spray the solution onto the tire and spread it evenly with a foam applicator. As the mixture dries, it leaves behind a clean, uniform finish that falls somewhere between matte and glossy. What makes this method especially interesting is that it does not leave the heavy, oily residue associated with some other household alternatives. Glycerin penetrates the rubber rather than coating it and restores its conditioning while providing a long-lasting, deep black finish that doesn't sling. The shine can last up to 2 weeks or slightly more in mild conditions. Trick number 5. Castor oil. Castor oil is one of the most overlooked products in automotive detailing, yet its performance can be genuinely impressive. Because castor oil is thicker and more viscous than baby oil, it tends to remain on the tire surface longer and provide a richer appearance. To use it, first clean your tire with soap and water and dry it thoroughly. Now, apply a very small amount to a microfiber applicator. Work the oil evenly into the sidewall and allow it to absorb for several minutes. As it settles into the rubber, the tire begins developing an exceptionally deep black finish. Many enthusiasts claim that castor oil can restore severely faded tires better than some commercial products. The shine typically lasts longer than 1 month because the thicker consistency resists evaporation. Another advantage is that a single bottle can last for dozens of applications, since only a tiny amount is needed each time. If your goal is maximum darkness and long-lasting visual impact, castor oil may be one of the strongest household options available. Trick number 4. Hair conditioner. At first glance, using hair conditioner on tires sounds completely ridiculous, but the science behind it is actually quite logical. Hair conditioners contain moisturizing agents, oils, and protective compounds specifically designed to improve the appearance and flexibility of surfaces. These ingredients can temporarily enhance the look of automotive rubber as well. To perform this method, clean your tires and dry them thoroughly. Now mix 30 milliliters of hair conditioner with 90 milliliters of water in a spray bottle, maintaining a 1:3 ratio. Now spray evenly on the tire and spread it with a sponge or cloth. Spread the mixture evenly across the tire sidewall and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before buffing lightly. The result is a soft satin finish that looks clean and refreshed. This method typically lasts 4 to 6 days. It does not provide deep gloss, but significantly improves dull and faded surfaces. Trick number 3. Black shoe polish. Black shoe polish is one of the most powerful methods for restoring severely faded tires. Unlike oils that simply darken the rubber temporarily, shoe polish contains pigments that can visually restore faded areas. This makes it particularly effective for older tires suffering from severe oxidation and discoloration. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the tire to remove dirt and contaminants. Apply a small amount, around 5 to 8 grams of shoe polish per tire, onto a foam applicator. Now, work it evenly into the tire sidewall in thin layers rather than one heavy coat. Let it dry for 10 to 12 minutes before buffing lightly. The result is a dramatic color restoration that can make heavily oxidized tires look up to 70% darker visually. This method can last up to 2 weeks, but care must be taken to avoid over-application, which can transfer onto surfaces. Many detailers use similar color restoration techniques when rejuvenating weathered trim pieces. Trick number 2. Vegetable oil. Believe it or not, ordinary vegetable oil can also improve the appearance of faded tires. Vegetable oils contain natural compounds that temporarily enhance the way light reflects off the rubber surface, creating a darker appearance. To use this method, apply 2 to 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil per tire onto a microfiber cloth and spread it evenly across the sidewall. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes before lightly wiping off excess. The tire immediately develops a richer, darker appearance that many people mistake for a commercial tire dressing. One reason this method became popular among budget-conscious drivers is the extremely low cost. Although the shine usually lasts only 3 to 4 days under normal driving conditions, but the immediate improvement can be impressive. For someone seeking the absolute cheapest tire shine solution possible, vegetable oil remains one of the easiest and most accessible options. Trick number 1. Glycerin, baby oil, and water super shine formula. Many professional DIY detailers consider this one of the strongest homemade tire shine recipes. Combine 20 milliliters glycerin, 10 milliliters baby oil, and 70 milliliters water in a spray bottle. Now clean your tire with soap and water. Wait for the tire to dry thoroughly. Now spray mixture lightly onto the tire sidewall and spread evenly using a foam applicator. Allow the mixture to dry naturally for approximately 15 minutes. The glycerin helps maintain moisture, while the baby oil increases gloss and color depth. The result is a dark, semi-wet finish that closely resembles premium commercial tire dressings. Users frequently report a visible improvement of up to 60% in tire darkness compared to untreated rubber. Under normal weather conditions, the shine can remain visible for 10 to 13 days, making this one of the longest-lasting household formulas on the list. The bottom line is, average driver spends hundreds of dollars each year trying to keep their vehicle looking presentable. Yet, some of the most effective tire shine solutions may already be sitting inside their home. Each of the tricks discussed in this video can dramatically improve the appearance of your tires when used correctly. And remember, always clean the tire thoroughly before applying any dressing. Which of these tricks are you going to try on your tires? Let us know in the comments section. I will see you in the next video.